In this little video, I want to show you how you can round a vector to a full integer. Create a new script and call this helpers and open it. In here, we're going to create one function, which is going to be our helper function. Public static vector3 and name it VEC. We now need to return a vector3 over here. Return a new vector3. We now split the incoming vector x, y, and z, round them, and return the vector in the end. Massf dot round to int or round vec.x. So I pass in the actual vectors over here. Gonna make it a y and a z. Get rid of the last comma and put in a semicolon in the end. Since I have not named it to anything, I just name it round. Control S for quick save. Create a new script. Maybe name it cube snap and create a function called onDrawGizmos. Transform.position. So the position of the current cube is equal to, and now we're gonna call helpers dot, and now we should have the round function transform.position. So I put cube snap on the cube and now it should work. So now I can drag around this cube and you're gonna see something is wiggling over here. But once I let go, it automatically snaps to the next rounded integer, even in height.